how to add or remove the music widget to the edge panels on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. Now in the settings page, scroll down and then tap on display. After that, we scroll down and tap on edge panels. Tap on the left hand side panel. In here, tap on panels, and at the top scroll across and then select the music widget. Make sure you select it to add the music panel to the edge panels. Once it is selected, now you can swipe on the edge, swipe inwards on the edge to open up the edge panels, and in here you can swipe across and find the music panel. From here you can play music directly from the edge panel. You can play the most play tracks recently added. So here I can play most played or recently added, recently played, or my favorite tracks. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.